Hey guys, Acclamation X here. I've got a Backfire Ranger X3 here. It's an electric skateboard, an off-road one. Probably gonna speed this video up a bit. It's an unboxing, and I'll do a little bit of a review as well. Box in a box. That looks pretty good. Nice box. Not bad at all. It's heavy. The package said 27 pounds, so we'll see if that's... I mean, the board's supposed to weigh 22 pounds. Definitely well packaged. Yeah, looks good. This is, like I said, the X3, not the X2. The board does feel pretty heavy though, to be honest. Oh yeah. There it is. Looks nice. Let's check this flexi deck. That is a big mamma jamma of a battery. I'll have to say that much. Wow. It's got, I don't know if it's a logo or a tool or something. All the other stuff, charger and things like that are under here. Comes with some lights, I guess. Take a look at those. These are the mud guards. I don't know, some sort of mounting stuff. Probably not going to put the mud guards on, to be honest. We don't have a lot of mud here. The desert, but there's some tools. Backfire cannon, these are the lights. So those are nice. Let's see if they're charged at all. Oh yeah, oh wow, those are bright. Wow, very bright. High quality too, aluminum. They feel very nice. Let's see, it says USB. Yeah, and then the charger is down here in this box. And it looks like comes with some stickers. Nice. User guide. Nice. We got the tool, remote, charger.